Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need Roblox Studio open and your place loaded. Once done, locate the camera script in Starter Player or Workspace. First, make a copy of the place so you can revert if needed, then find Starter Player scripts or Starter Character scripts. Next, disable any default camera controller module by setting Disabled True or renaming the script. This prevents automatic overrides. Make sure you keep the original script intact in a backup folder, so you can restore camera behavior later if anything goes wrong. Now change the active camera to scriptable so Roblox stops auto-managing it. You do this by referencing Workspace. Current camera and setting camera type to scriptable. Once the camera is scriptable, create a local script in Starter Player scripts that computes and assigns C-frame each frame. Use render stepped for smooth, frame-synced camera updates rather than heartbeat to avoid jitter. Also ensure your script sets camera subject appropriately or handles character tracking manually, because that's why default controls. Finish by testing in Play Solo and Play Here modes to confirm the camera stays under your script's control. If the camera still snaps or users report issues, make sure no other scripts reset camera type or modify current camera. C-frame, those are the usual culprits. If something goes wrong, revert to the backed-up place and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the conflict. Once resolved, publish the update. Remember, disabling default controls lets you define exactly how and why the camera moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.